meet again. It's your boy Javon. It's your girl.
Javon.
I see so dry today, but we back with another video, man. You know we always gonna keep it lit, unlike some dry ass people.
With some dry ass lips.
My lips sexy, girl. All the bitches on my lips. What you talking about? Everybody love my lips. My lips sexy.
Boy, get off my face.
You guys already see that. Y'all guys see the thumbnail. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys hit the notification bell. Make sure you guys comment, share, all that. You know, comment, share, subscribe. Lord,
don't be yelling at my people like that.
Hey, when you got kids, you gotta put it down on them. You know what I'm saying?
Whatever. Anyways, guys, we're gonna.
Anyways, this is my video before we But yeah, go ahead.
You go ahead.
You were just talking.
No, but I'm done.
I'm done too. You guys can talk first. Your mother's cunt, yo. As you guys see right now, man, we're gonna be doing the KFC versus
Popeyes.
Thank you for the energy. Thank you for the energy.
You're welcome.
It's a little up there, but
you're welcome.
It's a little. It was up here, but it's a little. It's right here. It should be up here. But yeah, guys, we're doing the Popeyes versus KFC challenge. Yeah. I'm sure you guys see this video going around. So yeah, we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna see what it is. Join with us.
Let's get straight into this video.
Alright, guys. Round. We'll clap together. Yeah, we did something together for once in our life. Oh God, God is coming. Alright, let's see. Round one, man. Let's get it. Round one. We got Popeyes, KFC. The first thing we got is.
What's under there?
We gonna see. You ready?
Alright, let's go.
You go first?
I go first.
I go first.
Okay, your turn.
Alright. Go ahead. Alright, where should we go, Pete?
1, 2, 3. Hey.
Of course you would pick. Oh, I got KFC.
I got Popeyes.
KFC.
Ooh. I like Popeyes potatoes.
I never had KFC mashed potatoes before.
Because it tastes, it's kind of like they put like meat in it or something. Like chunks of meat.
Which one got more gravy?
Yours. It look like they don't put gravy in there.
It stuck my stuff with gravy, bro.
That's how mine look. If you guys can see that. I got Popeyes mashed potatoes.
Smell alright.
Smell alright. This one got seasoning.
What's this, KFC? Oh, you got seasoning in? Oh, I gotta try yours.
Yep.
I'm trying it. Mine's a salsa. Right there. They're both 50-50 to me.
I like Popeyes better.
They're both 50-50.
Popeyes is way better.
Alright guys, next round. Alright guys, here's the thing. This is not covering up. So here what we're gonna do. We're gonna spit with our eyes closed or we're gonna pick with our eyes closed. You understand?
Yeah.
You ready?
Okay.
Alright, I'll go first. I keep lock your item. Lock your item.
Let's go.
And this is round 2, right? Alright, go ahead and pick. Close your eye.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Go. Of course he was picking you to pick. KFC.
Popeyes.
KFC. And this is tenders, guys. Tenders.
We got tenders.
And of course they do come with fries. I got wedges.
I got 5.
Man, yours look so crispy. Come on, man.
Yes.
I never had KFC tenders before.
I have a while ago.
Look at. Bruh, you can tell the difference. Girl.
It's good.
It's pretty good. Oh yeah.
He's alright. He's alright. Yeah.
Pretty good. Pretty good. You cut it out.
I'm trying the KFC tender now.
I'm trying Popeyes. I think I tried Popeyes before. Man, got all different, man.
Okay, KFC.
Good, huh?
That's good.
Yeah, I give it to KFC this time.
I give it to KFC.
Alright guys, this is round 3. Round 3. Of course, we'll do the same thing as last round. And this one we got, you guys will see. You ready to go first?
Yep.
Lock your eye and spin.
Okay. Okay. Go.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Of course you pick yours. Of course you pick what's in front of you.
I'ma always say, look.
I got Popeyes, man.
I got KFC.
And this is the famous chicken. I low-key wanted KFC.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I got KFC chicken.
Well, I got fries and mines. Yay.
Alright, let's see. I don't think I've had KFC chicken. I probably have like a long time ago, but
I had KFC. I
just mainly eat churches. Babe, don't eat all of it from the leg.
Why?
You don't only eat legs. I don't eat thighs.
Oh, you want to try it? Oh, God.
He got all about me.
There's some piece in there.
Let me see.
Dang.
Where? Tell me where.
You grind my stuff. Bro.
Let me see.
It's the next piece right here, baby.
Oh, it's another leg?
Babe, let's take another bite of the thing. Ain't gonna kill you.
Oh my gosh.
Let me try it. You want his leg? I gotta ask her if you want his leg, cause
See, I'm gonna knock him out.
I get this from the Popeyes.
I wouldn't know because I only eat legs.
Yeah, still I eat chicken. Chicken still left on it, right?
So?
In a matter, chicken. Chicken, yeah.
But I eat legs, I don't eat thighs.
Chicken, guys, tell her that chicken is chicken, it doesn't matter.
Yes, it does. Because I didn't get to fulfill the...
Chicken, eat more thighs so you can get the body to get bigger. Backside that complain for. Go in next round and touch a complain. Everything complain. Babe, they give me all this food. Babe, I want more food. Babe, I want two legs. Eat the food now, shut up. Alright guys, we are back, man. We are back. Damn.
I do not sound like that.
Complaining over there some damn chicken. Oh, chicken. There's one more chicken in there. It doesn't matter if the thighs or not. Eat more meat to get the body to get bigger.
You need to eat more meat so you get your butt to get to that. That's what it sounds like to me.
Alright, man. Round 4? 3, 4? Alright. I think
4.
so. Yeah, go ahead. Alright, spin. Look at it.
Okay, go.
Alright, go spin.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. You always looking there. Give me this. Of course! Like,
Ooh, Popeyes.
KFC biscuit, guys. I never had cake. Man, this is like some...
That look good.
Okay, grandma made this.
Babe, give me some of that honey over there. What's some of that honey?
For the honey look like this?
No, babe. That's hot sauce. That's honey, babe. Thank you.
I never had KFC with biscuit before.
Really? That's good. Y'all, I love bread. Y'all didn't know by now, I love bread. Oh, babe, you gotta try it.
I don't need no more.
Huh?
I'm good. I don't need no more.
What you mean?
What's all that on it? It's like oil.
It's honey.
I'm good.
It's honey. It's like syrup.
I know I'm your honey. It's good.
You try this, please. You try with the honey. It's really good.
No.
A little piece. But it's good. Y'all, you don't know what he missing. For real. On my mama's son. What? How you get honey on you?
This thing's so damn sticky. Only time I want honey, I still taste it. Oh, fire though, I ain't gonna lie.
Right there, I told you.
Oh, fire.
It's over that whole fire, I ain't gonna lie. I feel like this in my mouth.
So, a biscuit.
What?
It's soft.
What that mean?
Make chew a couple times and swallow. Guys, she chewing 50 times some biscuits, bro. It's biscuits. You can let it ball up, craps up in your hands. Biscuits.
I gotta chew it up.
Hurry up, then. Yeah. Guys, this is why Baby is so long, because she always adds extra minutes to it.
I like this one.
Which one?
This is Popeyes.
Alright guys, we're back with the last round. Now this round is very interesting because we both want something. We both want the same thing. Let's get it on. Let's see who is gonna go. This is gonna be the.
I'm spinning first.
Huh?
I'm spinning first.
I'll spin last.
No.
Cool.
You go. You go first.
You ain't gonna know.
Oh my God, you go first.
You sound like a what? Oh my God, you go first. Go ahead, spin.
Alright.
Ready? Mm-hmm. I'll make you pick first. Which one you want?
I'll take this one.
I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna catch. I was looking at the thing and for a second I thought I had it because it had a little like a mark in it. Damn. We meet again. Popeyes chicken sandwich. We meet again.
I have the Kentucky Fried Chicken Donut Sandwich.
Damn. I never had that one before.
Me neither. Ooh
We
la
meet
la,
again.
Bangladesh. What the fuck?
Yeah. What is it?
Oh, that was icing. I thought it was paper.
We meet again, guys.
Y'all, I haven't had this sandwich in like so long.
Popeyes chicken sandwich.
Still good?
You can right about that.
Oh, okay, you're right.
You know what they want?
Y'all, this is a lot of carbs, bro. Luckily, I don't pay attention to carbs.
Damn. That's gonna look good, bro.
Y'all, I love donuts and I love fried chicken.
Is it about that big?
No.
Damn. That's tough. Alright, let's pause for me. This is still good, bro. This is still good. Got flavor? Got flavor, bro. What's popping?
I don't think I got a good enough bite. Honestly, don't taste nothing. Babe, don't eat all that sandwich.
Showing the food.
Wait, that's chicken.
This chicken too. Let me go ahead and taste it, man.
Me personally, it's not all that.
This thing dripping.
Damn. It's not all that. What's this thing? Like, it's good, but it's not like, oh my gosh, I have to have it.
No.
I could probably make a better one.
Hell no.
We could probably do a better, babe.
Hell yeah. Hell no. This is a definite no for me, though.
We done with time.
That's the end of the video right there, man. We're gonna wrap it up right there. If you guys enjoyed this video, comment down below. Guys, have a good day. Please be safe with the coronavirus, guys. Be safe. Remember, wash your hands, all that good stuff. Take 10 showers a day, don't matter. Go crazy.
We're gonna get y'all next video. Peace.
Bye.